My father owns a condo in Winter Park. I'm his daughter. He's on the mortgage. He also, I was initially on the mortgage with him. He took me off a few years ago, but I'm on the deed with him.
Okay.
My father has other children. If my father passes away, my father has no will. He's a poor man. If he passes away, is that condo legally passed over to me because I'm on the deed?
So, Laura.
Or do we need anything else?
You and I right now, we do not know the answer to that question. That question will be answered by looking at that deed. You're telling me that when we look at the deed, we're going to see two names, your name and your dad's name. The question is, what are the magic words after those names? Is it tenants in common? Is it joint tenants' rights or survivorship? Or is it no words at all? If it's no words,
there are no words at all, but I'm thinking.
If it's no words at all, then you guys are tenants in common, which means that when your dad passes away, his 1/2 interest will pass to all of his children. If your dad said, hey, when I pass away, Laura, I want this whole condo to belong to you, then you guys need to do a new deed where it's got both of your names and it includes the magic language, joint tenants, rights of survivorship. That will mean that when your dad passes away, his 1/2 interest will automatically pass to you. No headaches, no hassles, no probate.
Thank you. Wow, that's very important that I found this out. Okay.
So, Laura, that's the answer to your question. But if we asked your dad and said, Dad, what do you want to have happen to your 1/2 when you pass away? He might say, I want it to go to all my kids. He might say, I want it to go to Laura. And based on what his answer is, we would know what to do next.
Yes, that is what he has said.
He wants it to go to you.
Then we need to do something. Yes, he does. I helped him buy the condo. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Laura, if you call the Olson Law Group next week, we have the ability to go into the public records and look at that deed for you. We can tell you right over the phone what it says. If you want to call the Olson Law Group next week, any of the lawyers can talk to you. And Holly's here. Holly, would you do that for Laura?
Absolutely, Laura. I'd be happy to do that for you.
Sir. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Laura, if you go if you go to our website, Olson Law Group, you're going to find a page for each one of the lawyers. You're going to find a page for attorney Holly Napick. On that page, there's 3 big red buttons. 1 is call, 2 is text, 3 is email Holly. You can reach out to her and she'll take a look at that deed for you.
Okay. I don't have I don't have an internet. I don't have a computer.
Oh my
Can
goodness.
I just have an old-fashioned phone number?
You can.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, we're all a little old in my family. So
you sound so young over the phone.
I'm not. Everyone
you sound
says
like
that.
you're like
I'm
sound like
young.
you're 22 years old, Laura.
Yeah, that's what I would guess.
No, add another 40 years. No. So is there a phone number I can call?
Absolutely.
Am I on the air? I hope nobody heard that.
Holly, what is your direct dial number?
Thank you,
Laura,
Holly.
you can call me directly at 321
321
206
206
1231.
1231. There, now you're talking to me like an old lady. That was very well done. Okay. So
Now, Laura,
no, you were good and slow.
I've learned the hard way over the years how to approach women's ages over the phone. I mean, in person too, so Laura. But I wasn't kidding. You sound like you're 22 years old.
Yes.
So, Laura, I got to ask,
Not at all.
do you text?
What is your name, by the way, Mr. Radio, sir?
My name is Tom Olson. I'm a
don't even
lawyer in
know who you are.
Orlando.
Hi,
You're
Tom
listening.
Olson.
You're listening to
thank
Olson
you.
on Law, the world's longest-running legal radio show, 37 years.
Okay. I have a radio. Okay.
Hey, you got a radio.
I do. I still have radios and a VCR. So, Holly, so just like after lunch someday next week, I should call you?
Absolutely. I mean, even if you don't reach me, I'm sometimes in a consult, but leave a message and I will call you right back.
And you can text her too, Laura. Do you text?
Oh, I do know how to do that. Yes.
All right.
Thank
Well,
you,
you can
Tom.
call or text Holly at that number.
Absolutely, Laura. Thank you so
Y'all have
much.
been I look forward to talking to you, and thank you for all your help already, guys. Thank you so much.
You're
You're
very
welcome.
Yeah. So I tell you what, this is the kind of situation where with a little bit of work and pre-planning on Laura's part, and she's really already started that pre-planning part,
Exactly.
this is like the stitch in time saves 9 thing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
If we find out that they really are tenants in common, man, a relatively small fee to get you to fix this problem, is going to save her a ton of money
and
headaches down the road.
Absolutely.
So, Laura, you're on the right track. Good for you for thinking about this issue and addressing it while your dad's alive, because this problem can only be fixed while he's alive.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah.
So
that's what we'll do. Thank you.
All right, Laura, thank you for calling.
Thank
we appreciate
you, both
that.
of you.
Yeah, you're very welcome.